Good evening, students. Today we are going to see about the shapes of bacteria based on their size, and one is based on their flagella. Here, based on their shape and size, if you see, there are four different categories. One is cocci, another one is rod, spiral, and comma shape. Cocci, it will be round in shape or spherical in shape, we can say. This will occur in single or in double or in chains, it may occur. And next one is rod shape. Rod shape, it is also called as bacillus or bacilli, and this will also occur in single or in pairs or in chain. Next is spiral. It will be looking like a spring shape, so it is called spiral. And next one is comma shape. It looks like a comma shape, so this is called comma shape bacteria. Next one, shapes of bacteria based on their flagella. Flagella is nothing but it is one of the organelle in organisms, microorganism, which will help in movement, helps to move from one place to another place. So in this, 5 different categories are there. One is monotrichous, amphitrichous, lopotrichous, peritrichous, and atrichous. Monotrichous. Mono means single. Trichous means flagella. The bacteria which contain single flagella at one end, it is called monotrichous. And they are motile. Since flagella is present, they are motile. And next, best example for this monotrichous, if you see, Vibrio cholerae, we can say. Next one is amphitrichous. This amphitrichous is nothing but they are also motile. Flagella will be present at both the sides with a single flagella. Single flagella will be present at both the sides. It is called as amphitrichous. And the best example for this amphitrichous, if you see, rhodospirillum. Next one, lopotrichous. This lopotrichous is also one of the motile. That is, motile means the bacteria can move from one place to another place. That is called motile. They are also motile. They have tuft of flagella at one end. Some cluster of flagella will be present at one end alone. It is called lopotrichous. The best example for this lopotrichous is Pseudomonas. Peritrichous. Peri means many. The bacteria which contain flagella all over their body, it is called as peritrichous. And they are highly motile. The best example for this peritrichous is Escherichia coli. That is E. coli. Next one is atrichous. A means absence. A means absence, that is non-motile. Flagella will not be present, so they are called non-motile. And absence of flagella. So this bacteria cannot move from one place to another place. The best example for this atrichous is diphtheria. Clear, children? Next, explain with a neat diagram about the shapes of bacteria based on their size and shapes. Mention a detailed account on the shapes of bacteria based on their flagella with a neat diagram. For both the thing, you want to draw the diagram. Clear, children? Thank you.